just a short video to all right, so the section you said you liked was this, where we have one answer, I think. I guess this is what is okay. That's all right. All right, so that's clear. But the problem is that you said you left some comments, but I cannot see any comments. Sorry. Alright, so I don't see any comments, as you can see, that I need comments about all this stuff. And I'll show you what I mean by I don't know how else to do it. So it says, why did you stay in the UK previous years? How many times have you visited the UK and for what reasons, right? So in two sentences, Dmitry has been attending conferences and lectures in the UK throughout Q4 2018. Nikolai has an MSc from the University of Exeter, has interned at JP Morgan, and frequently visits his sister. That's an exhaustive answer that includes all the information we have in two sentences. Okay, here I see, like, yeah, here we can highlight where you went, what you did, sort of thing. So, okay, that's fair. No information at this point. Like, here again, what was the purpose of your stay? This is a straightforward question, so I'm not sure what can be added except for what I put in there. Or if you do want some more information, you have to tell me more information. Like, we can dress it up, we can make it sound really good, like, Nikolai visited Dmitry visited to go to a lecture to learn about the catering industry in the UK, or to learn about cutting edge catering services for his industry leading service in Russia. We can say stuff like that, but I do need some direction because we only have one opportunity to say something. So you will have to tell me what you want, at least briefly. Here again, just need your comments basically, because I feel like these are all very solid, straight answers to the questions that they're asking. So I need your input, and other than that, the writing is not a problem. The problem is finding the exact information that we want to put in there. So I see now these comments, and that'll actually be super helpful when I'm doing this part. But what I want to know right now is what you didn't like about this, because from what I understood, this is the problem section. So please let me know, and have a great evening.